SketchUp was used for the basic design of this easel. I started by cutting out all the pieces for the base from 2x4s. These were then assembled with wood glue and screws. I marked and drilled a hole in the base of the vertical rail so that they could be put together with a bolt and pivot freely. Two pieces of 1x4 were then cut to rough length for the angle adjustment. I then marked both angles on the piece before cutting them. I added some curves to each piece before cutting them out on the bandsaw. After hand planing and cutting some wood from a previous project, I created a box that would be able to slide over the vertical 2x4 of the easel. After the wood glue had dried, I cleaned up the box using a hand plane. I then attached a horizontal piece to the box in order to hold the paintings. I removed the vertical section from the base to trim it to final length and added holes for different sizes of paintings. Plugs were cut out on the drill press using some old scrap wood. The entire assembly was then sanded to 220 before receiving 2 coats of dark walnut Danish oil. I then added holes to the angle adjustment so that the easel could be adjusted from vertical to 20 degrees from vertical. Thanks guys for watching. Please comment ideas for projects I'd like to see in the future, and check out my other videos if you enjoyed.